let's just coming on out to the Mack trailer pulling track. 53-year-old Chris Wood out of Shreve, Ohio. A 1977 Peterbilt with a Caterpillar 3406 engine. Class Act out of Shreve, Ohio. $270.95. This is a 1986 Mack R model with a Mack 300 engine. It's called Unpredictable. Rookie of the Year back in 2013 on the OSTPA circuit. On deck is Ken Measel, Mining Mayhem. In the hole is Kendra Unleashed. And we're ready to go. Here comes Kendra Rogers, Unpredictable. Do it for Unpredictable from Philo, Ohio, down around Zanesville, Ohio. The old Rolls-Royce truck that won the points championship last year. It's a beautiful 77 Peterbilt. It's now called Mining Mayhem. On deck is Kendra Unleashed. In the hole is Spencer Rook, Hillbilly Deluxe. Mechanicstown meltdown. Wow, we got a new leader, it looks like. What a run for Ken Measel, Mining Mayhem. .954, 302.9 power. She works in the green marketing business. She lives in Custer, Ohio, out by Bowling Green. Has a husband, Blake. They have a daughter. She's driving a 1988 Mack R model. It's called Unleashed. Rogers Motorsports Bowling Team. That was her sister. A good run for Kendra Unleashed. Nice hook. .274.270 puts her in second place. 274.270. Two more to go. Mining Mayhem still in the lead at 302. Here comes Spencer Rook out onto the Mack trailer pulling track. Boy, he needs a good run. 302 is the mark to beat. 302.954 is the leading mark by Mayhem. Nothing too serious. He still has another attempt. Leroy Brown, our starting flagman. What's the deal? It's called Mining for Dollars. He has a girlfriend, Ellie, and he is a truck driver. He drives a gravel team with Measel Sand and Gravel Company. So only 21 years old, he drove for his first time a couple weeks ago at Dragway 42 in West Salem, Ohio, and was in the top 3. So Matt Measel gonna try and kick his father's butt, who is in the lead at 302. Cyclone diesel performance engine. It's called Mining for Dollars. Come on. For dollars, a good solid hook out of Almont, Michigan. The Measels take 1 and 2 tonight. And here's the final results of the Cyclone Diesel Performance.